Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove link previews on Discord. If you prefer a cleaner chat without automatic link previews, here's how to disable them. Let's get started. First, open Discord and click on the gear icon next to the username to access user settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and select text and images from the left hand sidebar. This is where you can manage how Discord handles medias and links. And under the link preview section, toggle off the option that says show website preview info from links pasted into chat. This will stop Discord from automatically generating link previews on your messages. After making this change, your settings will be saved automatically. Link Link previews will no longer appear in your Discord chats. And that's how you remove link previews on Discord. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.